Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you I want to speak English. I want to speak English but I have break my consistency. Okay, 54 days I have not made for this video and I have not upload this video because of I had gone my village and I have lots of work in my house and I don't have time and I have break my consistency. Okay, I can speak English. I can speak English, but my mind is a blank. I'm not proper word in my mouth. Okay, but I'm try. I'm try. I should this learn this language and I'm daily practice. I'm daily practice. Uh, I'm daily 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm daily practice. But I'm not facing this camera and I'm fear. I'm hesitations. But I have decided. I'm try. I'm try and I'm speak to English and I can speak. I can speak. I have lose my confidence, but I'm only learner. I'm only learner, and I I will improve my English. I will improve my English. I will try. Okay. I'm definitely I will improve my English. I'm 100%. I'm give this the 100%. Okay. I have learned this vocabulary. I have lots of uh, lots of grammatical mistake, but I'm try. Okay, and you should not you should not uh, lose your confidence. Okay, you should learn this language. Okay, and you will try. One day you definitely you will speak to English. You will improve your English. Okay, I'm I have lose my confidence, but I have push myself, and I'm daily talk to you myself. Okay, I have lots of grammatical mistake, and I am anxious. Okay, I am anxious, but don't worry. You will talk to, and you will rectify your mistake, and you will try. Okay, and you want to speak English and I want to speak English. Okay, thank you watching this my video. My video is a like and subscribe, and